This is a collection of short videos on how to use Fantrax. This is how you change the players on your team. Select the player you wish to put on your bench, and select the player from your bench you wish to put onto your active slots. Press Submit. This change is the same for defensemen and the same for goalies. This is how to initiate a trade with another team. Click the player you wish to add to your team's trade. Then click the other team you wish to trade with. In the bottom right-hand corner, hit the Next button. Then choose one or more of the other team's players you wish to trade your player for. In the top right, you will see the active transaction which you are proposing. You can add or remove players off this list. In the bottom right, always remember to hit the Submit button. This is how to check your team period schedule. Under the Team tab, click Schedule Period. Here you will find the schedule from Monday to Thursday and from Fridays to Sundays. In this, you will see each player and the amount of games they play that week. This can give you a rough indication of who you should be playing and who you should be sitting. For example, Rupee Hintz plays 1 game, whereas Sam Bennett plays 2. I'm going to click F for Rupee Hintz and click the F next to Sam Bennett, and remember to hit the Submit button in the bottom right. This is how to change and pick up players from the free agent list. Click the Players tab. Here, click the green plus next to the player you wish to take. In the bottom right, hit the Next button. Here, select the player you wish to drop for that player. Remember to hit the Submit button in the bottom right. Go to the Home section. This is where you can find detailed information about this claim, including when it will process. This is how to use the injury reserve. Select a player in your team's roster who is either hurt or suspended. Click the F button and then click the IR button. This will allow you to put the player in the injury reserve. Next, what you will want to do is go to the Players tab, select a temporary replacement for this suspended or hurt player, click the Submit Now button, and press Submit. There are 2 ways to check news about players on your roster. Either go to the Home tab and go to Player News under My Team and press the plus button on your desired player, or go to the Team tab, select the player you wish to look at, and click on them. In the latest news section, you will find either news or the analysis, depending on what you're looking for.